Welcome to you all. Martin Tyler here along with Alan Smith. However many times this fixture is played, it is always super special. It is the Milan derby. Inter at home today, at least in name. It's Inter against Milan.
Yeah, two heavyweights of Italian football, two passionate sets of fans, and we're going to be hearing them throughout the next 90 minutes.
This is Inter's lineup. Samir Handanovic starts in goal. Diego Godin plays alongside Milan Skriniar in defence. Nicolo Barella starts with Christian Eriksen in midfield. In attack, Romelu Lukaku starts alongside Lautaro Martinez as the two forwards. This is the Milan lineup. Gianluigi Donnarumma is the goalkeeper. Alessio Romagnoli plays with Simon Kjær in central defence. Zlatan Ibrahimovic is the lone striker today. Inter have kicked off here. Strong challenge. Here he is, Hakan Çalhanoğlu. Saw the direction of the pass. Antonio Candreva. Well, you look at Inter against Milan, you sometimes wonder whether they just want to get the fixture over with and maybe a draw will do for both parties, but it's not quite like that. With 3 points for a win, you've got to go for victory in matches these days.
Well, of course you have, Martin, and neither set of fans, you can be sure, will be willing to accept a lame draw.
In goes the cross. Super header, narrowly wide.
Yeah, the goalie was rooted to the spot there.
Romagnoli. Hernandez. Probing away, working away at the opposition with these passes. Cleared away by the defender. Nicolo Barella. Antonio Candreva. Can Candreva make something of this? Saved by the keeper, but not decisively. Castillejo, Ronquesier. Here he is, Hakan Çalhanoğlu. Got the ball, and they're going at the opposition with speed. Rebic, he's got the ball back. Well, the defender. Antonio Candreva. Martinez. Played down the wing, keeping the wide attack going. He's cut it out. Nicolo Barella. Martinez. Romelu Lukaku. And that's a turnover to the opposition. It's easy here for the keeper. Here he is, Hakan Çalhanoğlu. He's got it back again from his teammate. Here's Theo Hernandez. It's not a good cross, and it's gone out for a goal kick.
The hosts had more than enough of the ball today, but I don't think the manager will be happy down there watching this performance. He would have been expecting more, the fans would, and I was. You have to feel that they will step it up sooner or later.
Coming into the penalty area now. Gone for the header, and we love to see that, especially you, Alan, but you could head it much, much better than this one.
Well, you've got to be committed to those headers, and he wasn't quite.
Samu Castillejo. Well, here he goes. It's good to see a player do this. Now, for the lead. Very good try. Just off target. Kessié, Zlatan Ibrahimovic. Excellent interception. 2 more minutes to play of added time. Well, now they've got the ball, what are they going to do with it? Well, that is half-time, and the score is 0-0 here.
Sì, Milano, la città dell'amaro Ramazzotti, l'amaro di chi vive e lavora, l'amaro della vita, di una giornata che non è mai finita. Sì, l'amaro Ramazzotti, che è nato qui 170 anni fa e che ancora oggi porta dovunque questa Milano da vivere, da sognare, da godere, questa Milano da bere.
Sorrisi e canzoni, da sempre uno spettacolo, oggi più che mai. E questa settimana è in edicola con 2.500.000 copie, ha raggiunto 15 milioni di lettori settimanali ed è sempre di più spettacolo, televisione, cinema, musica, attualità da tutto il mondo. TV, sorrisi e canzoni, lo spettacolo più applaudito.
Integrali misura, per mettere d'accordo la buona tavola con la buona forma. Con tutta l'esperienza misura nell'alimentazione integrale.
Change of ends, and the second half is underway. Stopping the pass getting through with a good piece of anticipation. Diego Godin. Good work here in terms of possession. Can they find the final pass? Now they can go forward, having won the ball. Well, he's been in the game, hasn't he? That's the best we can say for him. But not everything he's tried has come off.
Well, let's face it, he hasn't played particularly well. It's been poor so far, and his team needs him in this second half.
Christian Eriksen. Eriksen. He's given possession away here. Rebic. Pushed out by the goalkeeper, but only into a dangerous area. Asamoah. Throw in now. And there's going to be an alteration for Milan here. Samu Castillejo. He could cross it now. It's not really away. Poor clearance. We've got a change for Inter. Well, the pressure paying off. It's an aimless clearance. Rebic. He fancies his chances of getting past these players. There's still danger here after this half clearance. He's done well to block that. Good distance to the clearance then. And Inter looking to freshen things up from the bench. Good tackle.
Goalless, possession fairly equal. Just need one of these teams to take a bit of a chance, bit of a gamble, commit one or two more men forward in the hope of getting a goal.
Now Alessio Romagnoli. Zlatan Ibrahimovic. And that's a turnover to the opposition.
Everybody inside the San Siro on the edge of their seats. Can Inter grab something late on here? The crowd are demanding it, that's for certain.
Nicola Barella. Patient play as they try to get the goal that will put them in front. Pulls it back rather than crosses. Well, he's surely going to be one of the best, Donnarumma.
Well, that has only enhanced his reputation.
Corner from Brozovic, and the corner claimed by the goalkeeper, not too difficult. He's just dropped back in, the striker there, to get the ball in midfield. Victor Moses. Eriksen. Lukaku. Lukaku! Goodness me, it's a great time to score, and in a match like this too.
And what a moment to do it against their bitter rivals. He's loving it.
Well, they've got to concentrate now, get their focus back on as the game restarts, but they are leading. You can see the smiles on their faces. And you can see a slightly different viewpoint on it. To have the lead here. We've got 8 more minutes of the 90. Teammates getting out of the way because they know he can dribble it here. He was able to go in and make the challenge and make it a good one. Victor Moses. Lautaro Martinez. Roberto Gagliardini. It's good attacking play, this, from them. The shot's on! And that shot's blocked very quickly. Well, that's gone back to the goalkeeper. Referee's had a good look and decided what he's seen from this period of play to add on 3 minutes. The referee has blown and he's given the free kick. Everyone seems to be at one today. The players, the supporters, especially the supporters. Listen to this.
Well, they need a huge pat on the back, and it certainly puts a spring in the step of footballers down on that pitch. They will appreciate what they're hearing in there.
There's only a minute to go. It's good play to get a foot in and intercept.
There we are, final whistle.
Well, that's it. The dust is settling now, Alan, and beaten by this team as well.
Yeah, they probably weren't at the best. Well, they certainly weren't at the best today, and they'll be feeling disappointed to lose out to their rivals in this manner.
Grazie a tutti,